Xiaomi's highly anticipated flagship, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, is making waves with recent leaks, but not all of them bring good news. According to Digital Chat Station, the device is set to feature a 6.8-inch 1.5K OLED display. This resolution, capped at 1,280 pixels, might feel like a step back for some, especially when brands like OnePlus and Samsung are offering 1,440 pixels high-resolution panels. The decision likely stems from efforts to optimize battery usage, as the 15 Ultra packs a 5,700 mAh battery, a respectable capacity, but slightly underwhelming when compared to the 6,000 mAh battery in Xiaomi's own 15 Pro. To compensate for the lower resolution, Xiaomi is focusing on advanced display technology. The 15 Ultra boasts a G80 LTPO panel with an adaptive refresh rate ranging from 0.5 Hz to 120 Hz, offering smoother visuals while conserving power. With 432 Hz PWM dimming, it is designed to be easier on the eyes, especially for users sensitive to flicker. Adding to its durability, Xiaomi is incorporating Dragon Crystal Glass 2.0 with a silicon nitride layer, potentially making it the toughest glass on any smartphone yet. In terms of design, this upcoming model retains much of the aesthetic from its predecessors, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and 13 Ultra, with minimal changes in its design language. However, the camera setup stands out. According to Ice Universe, the periscope module, featuring a 200-megapixel sensor, is placed at the top right, accompanied by 3 additional lenses, dual LED flash, and various supporting sensors. Powering the device is the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset built on TSMC's 3nm processor. Xiaomi is also teasing its futuristic Mix Z aka Zook, a concept-driven device that could redefine user interaction, with features like gesture controls, pressure-sensitive edges, and voice commands, alongside potential innovations like wireless air charging and an under-display selfie camera. The Mix X promises to dazzle tech enthusiasts. Karthik Singh tweeted on X that according to Xiaomi's Lu Weibing, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to be officially unveiled at the Mobile World Congress 2025 in Barcelona, with the event running from March 3rd to March 6th. This aligns with previous launches like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra at MWC 2024. However, tipsters Yogesh Brar and Yawn suggest a launch date of March 2nd, 2025, as major announcements often happen the weekend before MWC begins. Alongside the 15 Ultra, the global version of the Xiaomi 15, already launched in China in October, may also debut on March 2nd. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 15 Pro is expected to remain exclusive to the Chinese market, confirming Xiaomi's prior international launch patterns. When it comes to prices, the 15 Ultra is expected to follow a similar pricing structure to its predecessor, the 14 Ultra, which retailed in the UK for £1,299, which equals approximately $1,640. What are your thoughts on Xiaomi's bold decisions with the 15 Ultra? Do you prioritize resolution and design consistency? Or are cutting-edge features and performance more critical for you? Share your opinions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more exciting tech news.